The photography world just felt a tremor, and it's coming from a place no one expected. For decades, there was a clear line in the sand. On one side, you had your mirrorless hybrid cameras, tools for photographers who sometimes shot video. On the other side, you had cinema cameras, the untouchable, high-end rigs used on Hollywood sets. But today, that line hasn't just been blurred, it's been erased. Nikon has officially unveiled the Z8 Mark II, and it is a masterpiece of technical defiance. This isn't just an upgrade to the original Z8. This is the first tangible result of Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. We are looking at a machine that fits in your hand, but breathes the fire of a cinema beast. We are talking about an internal 8.3K red code RAW. We are talking about an AI-driven X8 processor that doesn't just track eyes, it predicts movement before it even happens. But behind the flashy specs, there is a massive shift in how Nikon is treating its users. And if you are currently holding a Sony or a Canon, you are about to feel very, very left behind. Let's talk about the sensor. The original Z8 was already a speed demon, but the Z8 II introduces a brand new 45.7 megapixel fast-scan stacked CMOS sensor. Nikon didn't chase higher megapixels because they didn't need to. Instead, they chased data velocity. The readout speed of the sensor is so fast that the rolling shutter effect is virtually non-existent. You can whip this camera across a scene at 4K 120p, and the vertical lines remain as straight as a razor. But the real secret lies in the base ISO. Nikon has introduced a dual-stream gain architecture that allows for a native ISO 32. For landscape photographers in the American Southwest or fashion shooters in bright daylight, this is a game changer. It provides a level of highlight recovery and tonal gradation that we've only ever seen in medium format systems. But let's get into the meat of why this camera is breaking the internet: the Red integration. When Nikon bought Red, the industry held its breath. Would they just put a logo on a box? No. The Z8 II is the first mirrorless camera in history to offer internal 12-bit red code RAW, or 3D. Think about what that means. You are getting the exact same color science used in Guardians of the Galaxy and The Social Network, but inside a weather-sealed compact Nikon body. No external monitors, no bulky SSD rigs, just pure, unadulterated cinema data recorded straight to your CF Express Type B cards. It's the holy grail of hybrid filmmaking. It turns every solo-op filmmaker into a cinema powerhouse. And then there's the AI. We've heard every brand talk about AI autofocus, but the Z8 II's X8 engine is on a different level. It features what Nikon calls deep intent tracking. Using machine learning, the camera doesn't just see a bird or a car. It analyzes the physics of the scene. It understands that if a football player is running behind a referee, they will emerge on the other side at a specific velocity. The focus doesn't jump. It doesn't hunt. It waits. It's like having a professional focus puller with 20 years of experience living inside your viewfinder. For sports photographers and wildlife shooters, the hit rate is now effectively 100%. If you miss the shot with a Z8 II, it's not the camera's fault. But what about the pro workflow? Nikon noticed that creators were struggling with audio, so they did something radical. The Z8 II features internal 32-bit float audio recording.